Unlocking the Secrets of Merge the Branches, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that often pops up in both technical and everyday conversations: merge the branches. If you've ever wondered what this means, especially in contexts outside of gardening, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery together and explore how this phrase is used in different scenarios. Stay tuned to enhance your English understanding and usage. Before we delve into the specifics, let's break down the phrase, merge the branches. To merge means to combine or unite to form a single entity, often so that the separate elements become indistinguishable. Branches, in the most literal sense, refer to the parts of a tree that grow out from the trunk. Combining these two, in a non-literal sense, this phrase can refer to bringing together different parts or aspects of something into a single, unified entity. One of the most common uses of merge the branches is found in the world of software development. In this context, branches refer to different versions of a software project that developers work on separately. These could be for new features, bug fixes, or other improvements. To merge the branches means to combine these different versions into the main project, ensuring that all the changes are integrated and up to date. This is crucial for maintaining the coherence and functionality of the software. Beyond the technical realm, merge the branches can also be used metaphorically in everyday language to describe the process of combining different ideas, paths, or efforts. For example, in a business setting, merging the branches might refer to integrating different departments or projects to work more efficiently towards a common goal. It symbolizes unity and the combining of strengths for a greater purpose. When using the phrase, merge the branches, it's important to consider the context. Here are a few tips. In technical discussions, ensure that your audience understands the software development context to avoid confusion. In metaphorical uses, clarify the aspects or elements being combined, especially if the connection isn't immediately obvious to your listeners or readers. Be clear about the purpose of merging. Whether it's to enhance efficiency, integrate ideas, or consolidate efforts, the goal should be evident to ensure your message is understood. Thank you for joining us to explore the meaning and uses of merge the branches. Whether you're discussing software development or using the phrase metaphorically to describe the integration of different elements, understanding this phrase can enhance your English communication skills. We hope this video has shed light on the phrase and inspired you to think about how you can apply it in various contexts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.